How can you blur a part of the video in a Capcut using your iPad? Let's get started. If you are brand new on the Foxtecc channel, make sure you check out the rest of the vids and also subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. Well, on your iPad's Capcut, the way that it works is that you have your clip as usual, but in order to blur part of it, you have to click on it to select it and duplicate it, right? So it just appears and like in the succession or right after the initial clip. Then you tap on the second one and click on overlay, so you make sure it goes on the top of each other and line it up perfectly with the first shot, of course. Then select the one at the top, which is technically, the one below in the timeline. And you need to add the effects. So scroll through the options, find the star, click on video effects, and tap on the blur. Like it should appear, but if not, you can also just look it up. It's just part of the effects, right? Then, of course, the whole thing will be blurry. You can also adjust like the strength, right? So that's fine, whatever, but we obviously don't want to like blur the entire video, we only want to blur the part of it. So right now we confirm the blur effect and then we add the mask to the blurry clip, right? So you're going to select the mask and you have more options like different shapes. Usually the easiest method would be to go with the rectangle or horizontal, depends on which part of the image you want to blur out, but you can also go with the circle, right? And only that part of that clip will be like blurry. So it makes sense to just blur out some parts of that. You can also move around the mask to select that specific area, but at the end of the day, it just works well this way, and you can perform it like that for any clips on your Capcut timeline. So that's how it works. Let me know if you managed to do it on your iPad. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.